In this video, we will crystallize the work and message of Constance Beynon, the celebrated successful midwife whose independent research or study on the second stage of labor is to be saluted. We notice nowadays that there is no more rush in the first stage of labor, but we still notice it in the second stage of labor. Mothers are managed and forced to exert lots of effort to bring the baby into the birthing canal. One may ask, how much is too much straining, and when is it to be used in the first place? In her letter, Beynon suggests that the minimum is the optimum. When mothers are left to birth intuitively, it was noticed that there is an involuntary, irresistible strain that has a mechanism similar to defecation. Also, a clear interval of time was noticed from the onset of the contraction to the time the mother feels the urge to exert herself, and there's a very big variation in the of the push with every pain. 100 consecutive cases of no suggestion for pushing in the second stage of labor were studied and compared to 394 cases that were happening at the same time, and it was noticed that the average of the second stage of labor was 1 hour 3 minutes. Only 2 out of the 100 women exceeded the 2 hours, while everyone else finished the second stage of labor within the 2 hours. Only 6 cases of forceps were recorded compared to the 74 cases in the other group of women, and obviously we can imagine how much less tears and stachures were noticed in the 100 women. There are many theoretical and practical explanations about that in Beynon's letter, and in her, I really recommend going through that letter. And in her summary, she submitted a plea for a very vigorous policy to eliminate the hurry and the strain in the normal second stage of labor. So let us please remember to keep the second stage of labor, like any other stage of labor, undisturbed, as too early and too hard strain is harmful for the mother by causing more tears and exhaustion, and it's also harmful for the baby as more forceps usage of forceps was noticed, and many other complications are to be expected. Birthing intuitively is what we look for in all the stages of labor.